Hey YouTubers, Mike Goldberg here with PROMATION USA. In today's video, we'll be introducing you to the all-new quick TS Series intelligent line of hand soldering solutions. Available in 90 watt, 120 watt, as well as 150 watt solutions, these robust stations are built to meet the demand of even the most challenging soldering applications. Let's begin by taking a closer look. The quick TS Series line of intelligent hand soldering stations are the preferred solution for the premier electronics manufacturer. Ingenious design meets cutting-edge innovation at an overall affordable price. The stations feature a brilliant Tft Lcd display, which allows for easy and accurate temperature adjustment. 3 selectable temperature profiles on the main display allow for quick process changeover between different soldering profiles. Through the settings screen, users can define individual station settings, such as audible temperature alarm, ESD protection options, password protection options, and more. The settings menu may also be used for designating a unique station identification number that can later be used for easy identification of this individual station through our intelligent network software. The intelligent network software solution allows for up to 100 hand soldering stations to be around-the-clock monitored from a remote or networked PC. The unique station identification number can be easily viewed, adjusted, and monitored all through our intelligent line control software. Through the online monitoring window, there are 3 different tiers or levels of operator access, ranging from more basic to more advanced functions. The intelligent online monitoring solution can allow users to view and monitor all hand station activity and the use of each hand soldering station. Benefits of this solution include improved fulfillment schedule or regiment of consumable parts and distribution of spare parts, appropriate or better scheduled preventative maintenance routines, real-time thermal profiles of soldering applications, offline calibration of multiple hand soldering stations, offline and online password protection options, and improved solder tip life based upon better regimented solder tip care and around-the-clock monitoring. Integrated into the soldering temperature curve chart is a quick save and quick print feature that allows for this data to be outputted for future reference. Also integrated to our network solution is an integrated 12-month calendar with easy viewing of past thermal profiles. Simply select the date, the month, and view your previous work history. Rounding out the TS Series intelligent hand soldering station is the all-new and improved ergonomic handpiece. By design, the handpiece is lightweight, easy to use, and easy to dock, allowing for improved soldering process performance. Located within the handpiece is a real-time electromagnetic sensor used for detecting solder station usage or lack thereof. This allows the user full control over how quickly the soldering unit ramps up or cycles down different soldering temperatures. To complement the overall solder station is an easy-to-reach solder tip cleaning area, complete with cleaning sponge and brass brush. Well, there you have it, folks, the all-new quick TS series line of intelligent hand soldering solutions. Offering industry-leading technology, an affordable price, all while being backed by a certified team of IPC soldering experts, these solutions are designed to meet even the most challenging requirements of electronics manufacturing. Be sure to visit us online at www.PROMATIONusa.com. And remember to hit like and subscribe on our YouTube channel if you like this video and would like to see more. And remember to go pro.